marks in your IELTS exam, and especially the section we are going to focus today is the listening skills. So these strategies are fairly simple, and I am very sure that if you incorporate all these strategies in your daily routine, then band 9 is not a big thing for you. So the number one strategy is including listening as a part of your daily routine. Now, if we think deeply, there are several moments of the day when we perform certain activities that doesn't require our full attention, like cooking or maybe walking or commuting from one place to another. Now, during those activities, we can incorporate listening as a part of that. What we can listen is, we can listen to various podcasts. Podcasts are actually the audio files which are available on the internet, and they cover topics like entertainment, politics, news, and by listening to these podcasts, one can always enhance the level of pronunciation as well as vocabulary. So the second strategy is watching YouTube videos. Now, there are hundreds of YouTube channels which are available that can provide valuable information to you as well as will enhance your listening skills. So the best part of the YouTube video is the subtitles are also included in some of the YouTube videos, which will help you understand the oral information in a better way. And the third strategy is called micro listening. Strategy is visiting the website of British Council. I'll share the link in the description box in my video. And once you go to that website, the most important thing is to check your English proficiency level. It will let you know what is your present level of listening and your grammar and vocabulary. And based on this particular level, you can attempt the listening portions which are available. And the best part of the listening modules which are available there is, they're very short and crisp. And secondly, the transcripts are also available with them, and the follow-up questions based on that particular listening is also available. So it is a fun way of learning, I think. Rather than attempting 40 questions in one go, one can start practicing with short, crisp listening passages. So I think this will never bore you out, and you will also analyze your you can say mistakes at a minute level. And the last but not the least is, we have to enjoy what we are doing, because by enjoying only we'll get better results and we are able to learn more. Thank you and best of luck.